Julianne Hough shares emotional bond with family as sister-in-law undergoes emergency brain surgery. In a heartwarming display of unity, Julianne Hough, the beloved co-host of Dancing with the Stars, has sought solace in the embrace of her family during the recent holiday season. The reason behind Hough's heightened need for familial support is the unexpected and serious health issue faced by her sister-in-law, Hailey Erbert. Erbert, the wife of Hough's brother, Derek Hough, recently underwent emergency skull surgery, sending shockwaves through the close-knit Hough clan. Understandably, this challenging time has compelled Julianne Hough to hold her family extra tight. The exact details surrounding Erbert's condition have not been publicly disclosed, but it is clear that the situation required urgent intervention. As her sister-in-law navigated the complexities of this delicate surgical procedure, Julianne Hough took it upon herself to foster a loving and supportive atmosphere for her entire family, recognizing the importance of unity and resilience in times of adversity. Hough has demonstrated unwavering strength as she stands by her sister-in-law's side. Although the circumstances may be trying, the bond between family members remains unbreakable, serving as a guiding light during these challenging moments. While it is undoubtedly a difficult period for Hough and her loved ones, they have chosen to approach this adversity with grace and positivity. Instead of allowing these circumstances to divide them, they have united in their determination to support Erbert through her recovery journey. The public outpouring of support and well wishes for Hailey Erbert from fans and friends alike has been truly incredible. The Hough family has expressed deep gratitude for the love and encouragement they have received, emphasizing the strength that comes from a community rallying together during times of crisis. As the family remains by Hailey Erbert's side, Julianne Hough continues to embrace her role as a prominent figure within the entertainment industry. Hough's multifaceted career has captivated audiences around the world, and her ongoing dedication to her craft is a testament to her unwavering spirit. In these sobering times, Hough's resilience and unity with her family serve as an inspiration to many who may be facing their own challenges. Julianne Hough's unwavering support for her sister-in-law underscores the power of love and familial bonds in navigating the unpredictable twists of life. The Hough family, including Julianne, Derek, and Hailey Erbert, have always been renowned for their unwavering positivity and determination. As they continue to navigate this trying chapter, they stand as a beacon of strength and hope for all those seeking solace in the arms of their loved ones.